Have you ever been in an automobile accident and you wonder, why is my insurance paying for this when it's not my fault? If that's you and you live in Florida, you're not alone. Florida is a no-fault state, and that changes the entire game when it comes to automobile accidents. I'm Cary Woods II, a personal injury attorney here in Miami. I help people just like you navigate confusing insurance laws after an accident. I'll help you understand your options, fight for what's right, and help take the pressure off your shoulders. If you want real answers without the legal jargon, be sure to like this video, visit my page, and we'll break it down together. So let's start at the top. What is a no-fault state? In Florida and in 11 other states, if you're in a car accident, your insurance pays for your medical expenses, even if someone else caused the crash. That's what's known as personal injury protection, or PIP. The whole idea is to quickly get you the care you need without waiting to figure out who was at fault. Sounds helpful, right? And it can be, especially when getting medical treatment right away. But it also causes a lot of confusion, particularly who pays for what, especially when your car is damaged. No-fault insurance, or PIP, mainly focuses on you and not your vehicle. It's there to help you with things like your medical bills, any treatment your passengers might need, lost wages, and in tragic cases, even funeral expenses. But here's the thing, it doesn't cover your car. If your car is damaged in an accident, who pays for it depends on the type of coverage you selected prior to the accident. If you have collision coverage, that can help with repairs after a crash. If you've got comprehensive coverage, that handles things like vandalism, theft, or even a tree falling on your car. But if you don't have either of those coverages and no one else is clearly at fault, unfortunately, the cost of fixing your car might come out of your pocket. Now, let's say someone else was clearly at fault. You can go after their insurance in a third-party claim. Here's where it gets tough. Third-party insurance companies will not hand you a check just because you said so. They're going to look at ways to say it's your fault or partially your fault. This is why evidence is everything. Take pictures at the scene. Get names of any witnesses. Always file a police report. And are you still getting the runaround? That's when it's time to bring in a lawyer to fight for what you're owed. If you're at fault and you don't have collision coverage, your insurance company likely will not help pay for the damage to your vehicle. And if it was a hit and run and you don't have property damage or uninsured motorist coverage, you may be stuck footing the bill for the repairs to your vehicle entirely. So here's the bottom line. In a no-fault state such as Florida, your insurance company covers the first $10,000 of your medical expenses, no matter who's at fault. But when it comes to car repairs, it all depends on your coverage. It depends on the facts of the accident and whether someone else can be held accountable. It's not always fair, but that's where we come in. Visit my website or call today to schedule your free consultation. I'm Cary Woods II, and I've got your back.